I'm here with my best friends. We're in LA, reunited, and we're gonna have a fun little adventure. Where are we going first?
We're going first to Erewhon to get our favorite, the
Yes,
Hailey Bieber
the
smoothie.
Hailey Bieber smoothie. We need
which we split in half for cost.
because we're cheap. No, because we're trying to be healthy and we're not.
Well, yeah, it's like a big. We don't need the whole smoothie to ourselves, and we also don't need to spend $20 each.
Exactly. So we need to do that because I haven't had that in a long time, and I need my Hailey Bieber smoothie.
That's like our signature.
Yeah, that's our signature thing. And then we're going to the Getty Museum.
Yeah. Beautiful day to be.
I know, it's such a pretty day. Oh my god, I didn't realize how hot it is in LA now, so I like wore long sleeves, but it's actually so warm and nice. Yeah. Yay! Such a pretty day today. Ah, gorgeous. Woo. We're doing our fit check. Wait, it's too high up.
Okay, go back. No, let's jump.
You can't. We have a 45-minute wait for a smoothie now.
Forever.
Worth the money though. We got our mini Hailey Bieber smoothies. Oh, look at how cute! It's so worth it.
It's so nice.
Basically only $10.
Oh,
it's free.
Good.
Trying free samples.
That is really good.
And
a
it's
little vlog.
Oh, do your thing, yeah, for sure.
Thanks for the free sample. Ooh, that's so good.
Oh, but there's caffeine.
It's an energy drink?
It's kind of like that, it's so without any taurine or creatine.
This hits extra hard on a sunny warm day.
Oh my god, this is our signature. Like every time we see each other.
I know. This is like we need. Liam has already been to the Getty Museum and we want to try something new. What is this place called?
I don't know, the Arbitorium or something?
Arbitorium.
It's like a beautiful outdoor garden.
A nice little garden, so we'll just keep walking, exploring. We have a little blanket so we can sit on the ground. It'll be nice. This is so gorgeous. Oh my god, the palm trees. There's roaming peacocks. Are you scared of peacocks or birds?
Yes, I'm scared.
Oh my god, really?
Of course I'm scared of peacocks.
That's funny. For your safety, keep a distance of 10 feet from peacocks. Oh my god! Peacock spotted. That's crazy how they just roam here.
What?
Show us your feathers. Imagine she actually shows it. It's so pretty. She listened to Aphrodite.
She listened to Aphrodite. That's why she got so beautiful.
Got pretty fountains. It's such a like relaxing thing to do. Why is there bamboo and peacocks?
I'm so confused. Are we
What?
in Japan? Oh, it's like
Whoa! This is so cute.
So nice. Wow, there's so many releases in this.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Katy Perry's Roar music video was filmed here.
Wait,
I got like the biggest Katy Perry fan. He has like a huge like thing of her on his wall.
Oh my god, stop.
Wait, that's so cool. Oh my god. Little ducks. This is so pretty. That tree is over there.
Whoa,
it's literally right here. That's insane. She's fat.
Oh, they might copyright you for the song.
This is all so pretty and interesting. Like, what? There's so many turtles. Oh my god, and do you see what's in the water too? Oh my god. Oh my god, look. They're so cute. They're looking at us.
They're just tanning.
Wait, is he stuck? Is he stuck?
Or maybe he's burying himself. Oh, he's stuck in a shell. Let's take the shell off for him.
Hi. The other one just staring.
It's like so clear.
Oh, it's so pretty. We found out what it's doing. We think that it's digging a nest where it can lay its eggs.
I think you're right.
And we wanted to help it and move it. Oh, poor thing.
We're like, oh, it's stuck. No.
Oh
Using their
my
back
God.
flippers, the reptile digs a nest in the sand. That's exactly
Okay,
what
why are we
she's doing.
genius?
Wait, we're so smart. Digging the nest and laying her eggs usually takes from 1 to 3 hours. She could lay her eggs any moment.
Oh my god. So we're gonna come back after like, once we explore more to see if she laid her eggs.
So
Imagine we actually catch that. That'd be so
God.
cute. Liam drinks water so elegantly. Gentlemen, we found another one. That's so random.
You might go again because we feel like it's stay with them.
Oh my god, look at this.
Someone's painting.
Someone's painting. I love that. Oh, this is so beautiful. It's very Aphrodite. Oh my god. This is so cute.
It looks like Alice in Wonderland.
It does. All the roses and smells like roses. Oh my god. Little garden. I love it. We're smelling every flower in the garden.
What?
I
so
know.
Sweet. Oh my god, it's so like, it's like very soapy.
Sophie?
Soapy.
Oh.
Like soap. The Bath and Body.
Ooh. Oh my god, that's crazy. To see.
I want one.
It smells. It smells incredible.
So fresh.
Oh my god, this is gorgeous. Happiness. It's raining flower petals. You can't see them in the vlog. It's so gorgeous.
Wait, what is that leaf on there?
Wow, this is where Katy Perry's music video was shot. Insane. Katy Perry's video. And here it is. The way the road was right beside it. Oh, beautiful. We hear a scary sound. And it's so deep. I hear something super loud. Liam!
Is it there?
I can hear it. It's right in this bamboo. Is it a frog? Do frogs make that loud noise? If anyone knows a lot about animals and knows what that sound is, let us know. We came to visit our queen again.
Really?
Are there eggs in here?
Maybe the middle she doesn't cover. Maybe they're buried. They're covered.
Oh, true. Maybe they're buried. The eggs. All right, we're doing a little picnic, fireside chat. Is that what they call it? Oh, this is nice. Oh, oh, this is so nice. Cute. Alrighty, so a lot of people have actually been asking me about like how I write my music and just want to know information on writing songs, and what better way to talk about it than with your best friend who's a super talented writer. He does it, he knows it all.
Period.
We wrote Aphrodite together. And there's actually a few other ones that are coming out that we wrote together.
Yes.
So anyways.
Should we start with telling them the story of our first ever writing session?
Okay.
So here's a story about resilience, perseverance, strong friendships, and never giving up.
Yes.
So it was like 2 years ago and I had this song, and this was before Ashley had any fans. I was an OG.
Yes, OG.
We met at school and I was just like loved her music so much and I loved her. Aww. And I had this song and I was like, oh my god, like I want Ashley to like feature on a verse, and like we should like have her write a verse for it, and then, you know, we'll do a whole like duet kind of moment.
And I love, like, Liam was like he still is. He's like the popular kid, you know, at school everyone was like, oh my god, Liam's the cool kid, like he's so talented. Aww, and because he produces as well, so he sings, he produces, he writes,
dances
and
sometimes.
Dances too. Oh my god. But anyways, Liam told me that he wants to work with me. I was like, oh my god, yes.
Oh my god, I was excited to work with you. And then so this was like our first time. I think it was Ashley's first time co-writing. It was like one of my first times. Like we were young and fresh. And I drove all the way to Niagara Falls, where Ashley's from, on Mother's Day with my mom.
Oh, was it Mother's Day?
Remember?
So
I like made it like a Mother's Day trip with my mom. Aww. And I drove all the way to Niagara Falls to like do this like session with you, and like we went to your room, you had a little setup, you had your speakers, little microphone. Yeah. And we tried to write like this song.
Yeah. And at first we were like hyped, and then like an hour passed by and we had no idea. And then another hour passed by and we saw no idea.
It was so bad. Like we were both like so nervous and just like, I don't know, we just like didn't have the inspiration for the song. Like it wasn't the right song, like it wasn't the right moment. I was like, how about we go into separate rooms to try to write something? I went to like her other room to like go on the piano, and Ashley like
was in my room, and we were trying to like write separately, and then we came back, share our ideas, and we also didn't like any of that.
We didn't like everything. We just we just like went along with like some idea and like recorded it quickly. I remember I left and I was like, oh no, it went so bad. Like Ashley's never gonna want to work with me again. I was
the same too. I was like, no.
Oh, shit. But we stayed friends. Like, of course we stayed friends. We went on like a bike ride after that, and like, I don't know, we just grew closer and closer from being in school together and hanging out all the time. And then when the time was right, we started writing together again when we started coming to LA, and it was just different. Like,
it was so different.
We both grew so much because you had been doing so many writing sessions with other people, and so had I. And like, I feel like we both like learned a lot about co-writing. And you learned a lot about like your style and like where you were going with your direction, and so like it made my job easy. And now we like
and now we wrote Aphrodite. We wrote another song that's coming out together. We actually wrote many songs, a list of songs, and they're all amazing. And
a few made the album.
Yes. If a writing session never goes bad, just know that there are bad sessions and there's good sessions. Or even if you're just writing on your own or with a friend, just know that not every song has to be perfect. And it doesn't
have to ruin a relationship. I feel like sometimes people will have a bad session, they'll be like, oh, I'm never gonna talk to that person again.
Yeah, like, oh, that person sucks. Like, don't judge a person based off of one session.
Yeah, for real. Like, it's a growing thing, and so I'm just glad like we stayed friends, and like I feel like it's so easy when we write together now. Like it's so natural and like so much fun to write with your best friend.
Because Liam knows everything that happens in my
life. It's so easy because like I know all the tea, so
it's like perfect. So yeah, that's kind of
little story for you guys.
Little story time.
A inspirational story. Don't give up.
Don't give up. Woo! We did it. So I had questions before my story. As songwriters, we'll answer them for you.
First one is favorite thing in writing songs, melodies, lyrics, etc.
My favorite is melodies. Like I love writing melodies.
You got your whole formula down.
Yes.
Yeah, whenever we write, I'm like, you got it. You got it, girl.
Yeah, that's my favorite thing. I like to make them unique and like a little bit darker with like weird, what do you call it? Like the
chromatic notes? I think
notes.
So, yes. And I do really love lyrics. And I was thinking about that last night, how like a clever lyrical concept like really gets me excited. So I feel like that's the specialty that I bring.
Yes, Liam's lyric writing, oh my god, so good. They're so clever.
For someone who doesn't read, I've got some vocabulary.
See, you don't need to read to be a songwriter.
You don't need to read, you don't need to go to school, you don't need to do anything. Take it from us. Ooh, we dropped out. How do you get inspiration?
I feel like for me, a lot of it is, life experience, but also...
I feel like you pull from a very, like, fantasy land world, and, like, you're very, like, it's fictional, but, like, it obviously still comes from your heart, and still, it's, like, your true experiences, like, get weaved in there somehow, but there's also, like, something to be said about, it's, like, creative writing. Writing fantasy,
it's
writing, like, a novel.
Literal story.
Yeah.
And I, like, create this story in my head, and sometimes I even like being outside where we are right now, like look how gorgeous. I feel like it's just inspo, like and even like Pinterest, to be honest, like reading poetry on Pinterest,
oh my god,
on there. And just like sometimes I even like pin a bunch of pictures and create a song out of the pictures that I see. So, and then of course I weave in my manifestation magical concept to make it extra.
As a writer, I take inspiration for my real life mostly. I feel like that's when I get like the best words, like the best stories, and it's too easy when it's something that actually happens to me or something that I actually feel, and like I find it way too easy to write like that. I actually struggle with like fictional stuff, maybe because I don't read. Maybe because I don't read that much.
Everyone maybe has their own like way.
Biggest advice to anyone writing songs. Don't give up and dig.
True.
Dig and dig and dig and like fight for the best thing possible for the song. Like don't just settle for the first thing you think of because that's cool. Like sometimes like the first thing is natural and that is good, but like I feel like I specialize in pop music, and I feel like in pop like the key is just to dig and like try to beat that line and try to beat that one, and can we do better,
yeah, exactly.
That's what I think is important as a writer.
For me, what I like to do is like when I have inspiration, I let it all, like I write down all the ideas I have, even if it's not like perfect, I write it all out, I write the melodies, but then once I have that base, I'm like, okay, how can I make this even better, even more like poetic or whatever you're going for.
And the last question is, any advice for starting out as an artist in the music industry?
For me, I guess like something that has helped me so much in getting my music out there is social media. And I know that's not as like a creative tip, but it's more just like
find your audience.
Finding your audience, because there will always be people who you will always find your people that like your music, so don't be insecure about it, because you will find your niche. For real. Just it's like there's wait I want to sorry, we needed to interrupt.
Industry will come and go, managers, labels, A&Rs, whoever, but the fans are there.
Yes.
And the fans will love your music for no matter what. So like, it's important to like nourish that relationship with your fans.
Exactly.
Which I feel like you're really good at.
Thank you. Like, of course, you're gonna start off with maybe just 10 people listening, but that already is
so valuable.
Yeah, it's so valuable. And then just in general, like, I guess making music.
Learning how to record at home is really good.
I started out recording my songs at home in my walk-in closet.
She engineers herself.
Literally,
which is really important, because if you can like make music from home before you can afford to like have big producers or go to studios and stuff, it's really a great valuable skill that like you know, you knew the program. What program to use on your computer?
Logic.
Yeah, she knows Logic. You can record yourself and like you can get your vocals done that way. That's really
a great way. And honestly, don't even stress too much about like getting like the highest, most expensive microphone. Like, you can start with something cheaper and it still sounds amazing. And like even Liam over here, he knows how to produce as well. So learning production as well, if you
can learn,
are into that. You can also hire producers, sound better. Great website. That's where I started. And yeah, you got this. If that's your passion, you have to follow your passion and do what you love, and it'll be so worth it. So
we believe in you.
We believe in you. Manifest it and work hard and believe in yourself. Yay! This was cute. Little, what is it, like TED Talk? Little podcast.
A little podcast moment.
Cute.
Oh my god, she's kind of good.
I love that.
Oh my god.
Beautiful.
Oh, they're singing with her.
Going to the food court because we're hungry, and yeah, it's so hot in the car. Oh my god. It's our food. Why?
It's embarrassing.
Why is it embarrassing? We gotta eat. Nice mall. Yeah, it's a nice mall. Okay. I hope they have boba. Do they have boba somewhere? I love boba. I got myself a little freshly squeezed strawberry and dragon fruit drink. Such a hard decision. Rice bowls. All right, what do we have here? Yummy. Oh, yum. The mess I already made. I've actually never had this before. Corn dog. So cute. We're doing a little shopping. We're looking for shiny, but we can't find anything shiny. Everything's just plain color. It's 4:44.
Oh, it's so soft.
Let's see. Extra warm honey. Oh my god.
No, it's too big. It's too big.
You think? But I feel like oversized is like cute. That's the vibe. You look cute. Really you look so cute. You look so cute from the back too. Let's see. Ooh, I like this one. That's so cute. These are so comfy. What?
I'm gonna get it.
The back looks cool.
Yeah, we're gonna have another shirt.
Yes. Yeah. Found a whole bunch of cute things, not for the show, unfortunately, matching theme, but there's other cute things. And bags on bags on bags. Okay, so that was our day. This was so fun, a little bestie hang, and I love you.
I love you too.
And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Follow Liam. He's amazing.
Benayon, Liambenayon.
Yes, he's amazing, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye. Bye.